In this video, you'll be learning how to fix can't remove Bluetooth device in Windows 11. Let's begin. The very first solution that you can do is here at the taskbar, navigate there and click on this one. In the speakers, this Wi-Fi and this battery icon, click on it and you would be able to bring up a window where it contains this icon which contains the Bluetooth here. So if you can't remove your Bluetooth, try to turn on the airplane mode. Okay, once you have turned it on, your Bluetooth would be removed here. Your Bluetooth device would be turned off. Okay. However, if not, then you need to navigate here at the start icon. Okay, and then you need to make a right click and scroll up and click on run. So here in this small window, please type for services.msc and click on OK to continue. Okay, so here at the services, you need to locate for device association services. So just have to use your down arrow key to scroll down and to locate for it. So once you have find it, which is the device association services, okay, which is this one, you need to make a right click and click on restart. And the moment you have the restarted it, you need to wait until this would be done. And once done, try to check if your problem has been fixed, okay? However, if not, then we need to navigate to the third method, and that is here at the start icon, make a right click, scroll up, and click on the device manager. Okay, so here at the device manager, you need to navigate here to the Bluetooth. Okay, navigate to the Bluetooth, click on this forward arrow and select your Bluetooth device. Okay, so if you can see your Bluetooth device, just select your Bluetooth here, make a right click and go with scan for hardware changes, and eventually you would be able to see your Bluetooth device. So from here, you need to make a right click to that Bluetooth device and then you need to proceed with uninstall device. The moment you've uninstalled it, click on uninstall and then restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, you would be able to remove your Bluetooth device here in your PC or laptop. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.